all. Welcome to today's Cancer Healing Journey Talks. Myself, Annie Jose from Community Outreach Team of Zenonco.io and Love Gives Cancer. Cancer Healing Journey Talks helps cancer survivors and caregivers to share their journey with vast number of survivors and caregivers who have traveled or been traveling through this journey. This can inspire and motivate them for their faster recovery as well. Firstly, I would like to introduce today's speaker, Saloni. She is a meditation, spiritual counselor, and a physiotherapist. I'm happy that you are here with us today to share your journey with us. Over to you, Saloni. So please start with a small introduction of yours and then you can share your journey.
Sure. Sure. Thank you so much. So I'm Saloni and I was in this meditation things from my 7th to 8th grade. And now I am certified spiritual counselor and meditation healer. So my purpose to be here and my purpose to share this knowledge is that everything is our mind. So I teach people that how you can heal your body by just using your mind and how your mind listens to your body as well. So I have so many examples of my clients who have been healed with these things, like what really the healing is. I'll be sharing everything about what you think you become and how the cells of your body respond to the things you even think about yourself. So this is all what I want to share about. So I am physiotherapist also, and I am going to be a psychologist in future. So I'm working with my master's in psychology also. So right now I'm serving as a social worker to the people with my counseling things. Thank you.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, hi, this is Saloni, and basically I'm a physiotherapist. I'm graduated in a physiotherapy degree. And after that, due to some family issues, I was free for 1 year. So I started social working with these things, like how counseling helps people, because I am in this meditation and everything from past 15 years. When I was child, from my 7th to 8th grade, I started doing meditation. And from that time, I have seen so many miraculous things in people's life. So as I grew up, I want to share this knowledge to other people that how these things really change your life. So there are so many things that happened in my childhood when I saw that how our mind helps us to gain so many good things in life. Like every time whenever I was having my exams, I used my mind power to, manifest the marks which I want to get. And every time I got the same marks. So the same things I started using on people for their health and for their healing things. So I have so many clients of cancer also. So that is my purpose to be here also for cancer. So I personally feel that cancer can be very much, the only main thing to heal the cancer is, meditation, healing, and positivity. The most important thing, I think. Other than doing medications, that is also important part, chemotherapy, radiation, that is most important, I feel. But the another most important thing is how your energy, how your mind, how your healing helps to promote your health and life. So according to me, what you think you become, this is the most important thing, as we all have heard about from Lord Buddha. So I feel that whenever you start thinking positive about your body, so your body starts responding. So whenever I just got so many things from people, that the cancer patients are most of often they have very hurtful childhood. So one of my clients, she was having, like, her childhood was full of negativity, full of fear, full of everything. So there were so many resentments in her mind that she wanted to release, but she was not able to release, and the negativity was overlapping her subconscious mind. So I'll be talking about subconscious mind later on, what it is really. So I felt that the whenever we release the things from our mind, our body starts healing. But whenever we fill our mind with negativity and everything else, like we start thinking negative about ourselves, that I am so ugly, I don't love my life is so mess and all things. So our body starts responding in a negative way. So as I saw in people, that the people who don't like themselves, there is lack of self-love, they suffer more as compared to the people who take care of their bodies, right? So I feel that when you start saying to yourself that I am very healthy every morning. So we are made up of cells, as we know our biology. So we have 50 trillion cells in our body. So as I say every morning that, wow, I'm so happy. So all the 50 trillion cells of my body start saying that, wow, this person wants to be happy, and they respond in a positive manner. So of course I'll be happy in my life. This is for sure. But whenever I say, oh my God, I may get cancer someday because my it is spreading very fast, right? So it will definitely come to the body because the body heard the word cancer, like, so it understands the energy, understands the vibrations. So there is a very famous law of physics called quantum physics. From quantum physics, they say that everything around is energy. So there are so many researches on this. So I've read so many books on energy. So right now I'm just reading this book, How to Become Supernatural. This is all about energy healing also. So like whenever we think of something, it releases some energy in the universe. So whenever I say, wow, I'm so happy, I am so healthy, I'm so beautiful, whenever I say this, so my words go into universe and it attracts the same things to me which I want to be in my life. So whenever I say, I am so sad, my life is so mess, so same thing happens with the people who are depressed, sad in their life. So whenever I deal with some clients of my depression, patients of depression, they always say that we are unhappy because they don't want to heal from that thing. So this is all about that, how you start your journey, how you can heal yourself, because only we are the one who can make efforts to heal ourselves, right? So this is the things, like whenever you meditate, whenever you start practicing meditation, either for 1 minute or 2 minutes, you'll start definitely seeing the magical results. So one of my clients, she was having a problem. She is having cancer in her esophagus. So she is having problem that she was having actually, that her platelets count was always around 50,000. It never went up. So she was always saying the same thing, that, oh my God, my platelets are so low. I may die someday because of this. She was always, it was in her mind. But when we started counseling sessions, I reprogrammed her mind by saying that her platelets are growing every day her platelets are 1 lakh. She started saying it again and again, that my platelets are 1 lakh. Wow, I'm so happy. And it was such a beautiful result that after 1 month her platelets were 1 lakh. So it is all about reprogramming the mind, that how you say things to your mind, how it comes to your life. So another thing I want to teach is what is water therapy. People may have heard about, praying on water, it gives results to us. So why we get water from, gurdwaras, from different places, and drink it and keep it at home, that it is very pure water. So it is the fact that we can make our own water pure also. Like whenever we drink water, we think of something very negative and it manifests in life. This is a secret which very few people know. So I use this therapy as every night I use the water and charge it. Charge, how to charge it? Just by seeing the water and saying that you are the best medicine of this world, as water has its own memory. Whatever we say to water, it definitely goes and do it in our body. So every person who was using this water technique was very much benefited with this. Like whatever we say to water, I told her to say her water that my platelets will come 50,000 to 1 lakh tomorrow. It will help me to rise my platelets. And that magical water changed her life. She used that water, and by saying whatever you say to water, you will definitely get in life. So it is also said that jaisa an vaisa man, jaisa pani vaisi vani. We have heard. So jaisa, whatever we eat, whatever, with what vibrations we eat, that matters, right? So whenever we charge our food, charge our water, charge our brain, how to charge our brain, it is also a part of healing. Like just by using our hands, like we have heard about Reiki and every energy therapy. There are so many therapies which people use, but we can be our own healer also. Like how we can just see our hands and get the energy from the universe, and it really comes. The thing is, people don't use these things. People think that this is like nothing, we are so sad, this is my bad karma, but only we are the one who can heal the bad karma. No one else will come to heal this, right? So I feel that whenever we see our hands and we grant energy from the universe, God, it definitely comes. And by rubbing your hands like this and touching your brain, your eyes, your any part of the body, it will start healing that particular part. So I used it on my father. My father is a depression patient. So he was having antidepressant from a long time. Like he's dependent on the medications, but I charged her brain with this energy by saying some positive affirmations that this person person is very healthy, this person is healing, this is very pure soul, whatever you want to say, right? So whenever I gave energy to his brain, he started sleeping very well because he was insomniac, and her soul started to release the bad things, and he is very much better just by charging his brain. And her dosage of medications is also very less. So these are the miraculous things that I want to teach the cancer patients or cancer survivors, that how they can be better in their life, and how the things like how change by changing their thought pattern, how they can generate miraculous things and get so many good results in their life. Because our bodies are temple. So it is said that what you say to your body, it listens. So right, so I was having one more client. She was having bacterial infection in her abdomen, right? So I teached her to say the bacteria that please go away from my body, this is not for you. So she started saying to those bacteria that please go away from my body, this is not, my body is so pure. And the miracle happened that after 2 weeks her bacterial infection went away without any antibiotics. Because this is what energy is, whatever you say to your body, it definitely responds. So this is my main purpose, to share this knowledge to all the persons who are suffering from any kind of disease. Like this is what healing is, because we can only be our healer. So there is another book, You Can Heal Your Life. So only we are the one who can heal our life, and no one else will come to heal us. So my purpose is to share this knowledge to help people by doing these counseling sessions, so that everyone understands that we can heal our life, that cancer is nothing, just a that word, like we feel so much anxious that why, what cancer is. But there was one lady, I heard a story. She healed her cancer by just saying every day that my cancer is cancelled. Every day she said this phrase, without any treatment her cancer went away. This is what the mind power is. Not cancer is nothing, just a fear signal. So this is what I want to share.
Thank you, Salome, for your valuable time. I'm sure this session will really motivate people out there who have traveled or been traveling to
Thank
cancer.
you so much.
So it was lovely having
Thank
you here today. Once again, thank you so much.
Same here. Same here. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.